Welcome to my channel. I have a super exciting video today. I picked up all of the new e.l.f. and Jkissa collaboration. I am so excited for everything. I love Jkissa. I haven't tried anything from e.l.f. yet, and I'm super excited to try everything out. The packaging is super cute on these, super cute little design, super affordable. I'm so excited to get into this. If you're new to my channel, my name is London. I do videos 2 to 3 times a week. I'm in a little bit of a funk right now, so my schedule isn't normal at the moment, but it should be getting fixed soon. Normally I'll post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Long story short, let's get into this. So let's go from least exciting to most exciting, even though everything in this collection is exciting. I freaking love Jkissa. She changed the way that I look at makeup. She has really interesting color combinations. Even though her makeup may look really simple, it still looks really exotic and different at the same time, and that's what I really love about her makeup, is that she can do stuff really bold, she can do stuff really neutral, she can just do so many different things, and it all looks good on her, and her color combinations are like out of this world. So whenever she said it was a palette, I was like, I don't care what it looks like, I don't care who you're collaborating with, because I want it. Now the first thing is an eyeliner, and it's a retractable gel eyeliner. It is $5, and on the back it says, colorful eyeliner can really take a look to the next level. This shade is the perfect balance between a navy and bright blue, and it looks great with many different eye colors. You can apply it to your lash line and your waterline. 30 seconds to set. It's smudge proof. $5 eyeliner. I'm so excited for it. Oh, the packaging is just so cute. Look at that packaging, guys. Is that not so adorable? Let's swatch a little bit of it. I like the consistency of this eyeliner. Like I said, I've never tried anything from e.l.f. before, so I'm super excited about this. So that is what the eyeliner looks like. It is a really good mix between a navy and a bright blue, to be honest, because it's not like a super deep dark black blue. It still has like a bit of a pop to it. The next thing is the mascara, and on the back of this one is, this is the perfect brown mascara. It flatters any daytime look and makes your eye color pop. It was something that I was missing from my makeup collection, and I hope you fall in love with it too. Now, when this collection is gone, it's gone. So if I love this mascara, I might have to buy 2, just saying. But this is what it looks like. I am so obsessed with this packaging. I really want them to come out with more stuff like this. I'm so sad this is a limited edition. I really want them to come out with more stuff. Now, the palette is the most expensive, but it's $12. So, I mean, it's not insane, but on the back it says, this palette is the perfect mix of everyday neutrals and fun pops of color. Each shade stems from a different aspect of my life, and I hope that you can feel the love that went into it. I already do, Jkissa. I already do. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh. And I love the little pictures on the back of everything. I think that is so adorable. Let's look into the palette. It has a really good mirror in it. You can see that. And then I'm just gonna pop the brush out for a second. And this is what all of the colors look like. I am going to try and put all of these colors on my eyes and give you my honest opinion. But upon first glance of this palette, I really see Jkissa in this, and the reason that it really sold me on it, because originally I was like, I love Jkissa, and I don't know if I need this eyeshadow palette. Like, it only has a couple of colors in it. Do I need it? But then, like, the more I looked at it, the more I was like, you know, even though this is a simple combination, you can get so many different looks out of this. I would honestly travel with this palette. This is definitely a travel palette to me. The brush feels amazing. I mean, she just does it every time. I can't. All right, let's get into this. I'm gonna try and use pretty much every color in this palette. I already primed and prepped my eyes. Don't know where any of my brushes are. I am going to zoom you guys into this. Now, she does have an awesome mirror in here, so I'm gonna use the mirror, and I'm first gonna take a flatter, fluffier brush with the shade 23, which is her favorite number, and I'm gonna put this on my brow bone. That's a pretty good, it's a really good just everyday champagne. It's not too gold and it's not very pink, but you can tell that it's just like a really good champagne color. And I really like the shine it gives to my eyebrows. The heck, I'm gonna love this. I think I want to do natural smoky on the top and crazy on the bottom. Let's see how that works. I'm gonna take BFF, which is this one, and I'm gonna put this in my crease. I'm gonna use the brush that the palette came with. Just wanna see how this works. Oh yeah, no, why do I like this brush? I bought all of this with my own money at like 5 o'clock in the morning. I am not mad. Normally, I don't ever use the brushes that are included in a palette. Like, I don't use any of the Anastasia palette brushes. And I never use the Naked palette brushes. Those were, oh, I hated those. But this one is actually pretty good. I mean, I would probably just bring a flat shader brush, and I feel like I'd be fine. Annie's barking at something. All right, now I'm super excited about this because I love orange eyeshadow. So this one is called Mac and Cheese, perfectly fitting. And I want to put this on, I think I'm going to take a flat brush because I want to pack this one pretty much all over my lid. I'm honestly pretty impressed by the quality of these eyeshadows so far. I mean, for a $12 eyeshadow palette, this is bomb. I have just a teeny little bit of fallout. That could be that I just need to tap off my brush. I normally don't like tapping off my brush because I feel like if the glue in your brush is loosening up and you tap your brush all the time, I feel like it kind of speeds up the process of your brushes to fall apart. I'm so happy with this. Now for my lower lash line, I'm gonna use the eyeliner. It is a twist up eyeliner. I like that. I'm gonna put it on my waterline and then a little bit lower than that. Wow, this is a really good eyeliner. Look at how it just glides over my eye. It could be that all my eyeliners are dried out and I forgot what a good eyeliner feels like. Okay, so before this eyeliner sets, I'm gonna take the pencil side of the brush and I'm gonna take the color Danger in the corner here, and I'm just gonna smudge out the outer corner, and then I'm just gonna wipe that brush off, and I'm gonna take Sway and I'm gonna put that one in the inner part of my eye. That one's so pretty. And then I think I'm gonna take my Moon, which is the kind of burgundy shade at the bottom there, and I'm gonna take it on that same pencil brush. I just wiped it off again, and I'm gonna lay this and kind of blend it into Mac and Cheese in my lash line. Just lightly building it up and layering it, because this is a pretty pigmented color. I guess my mind wants to put it in my outer corner, so we're gonna put it in that outer V too. So I'm just mixing BFF and my Moon on the blending brush here and just going. Look at how easy these blend out. It literally took 2 seconds to do that. Look, I'm gonna tap it 1, 2, and back in. Look at how fast it took to blend that out. It's literally done. $12 eyeshadows. What? I'm gonna wipe off the blending brush and I'm gonna dip into 23 and I'm gonna put this right in my inner corner here, kind of highlight. I'm gonna wipe off the pencil brush and I'm gonna take Alien, which is the green shade down at the bottom there, and I'm gonna go right into my inner corner. Wow, look at how pretty and smoky and even this is blended out. I am so impressed. Y'all are definitely going to get more looks out of this palette. I'm so excited about this palette. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram to get little looks throughout the week. So now we have the mascara that's in the shade Brown. Super excited about this. I think I'm gonna use the mirror in the palette. This palette actually has a really good mirror. Ooh. This is a super unique brown shade. Let me see. I really like how this ties together with the brown shades on with the eyeshadow. So I just applied a really light amount to my lower eyelashes and I really like how this is looking so far. So now I kind of want to play with the eyeshadows on the face. Call me crazy, but I'm gonna take this Morphe M405 brush and I'm gonna mix my Moon and Sway together. So how am I gonna show you this? The red and that purple up here, or like periwinkle. I should also zoom you guys back out a little bit. Oop, there we go. I'm just gonna tap pretty lightly, dust off my brush. Wow, look at how pretty those mix together. Oh my gosh. I'm buying 2 of these because I can never run out of this. Wow. These two look so pretty together. I can't stop putting it on my face. Someone please come stop me. Holy cow. This looks so cool. Those two mixed together look so good. I watched Jkissa's video of where she tried 4 different looks on with her collection, and I really want to try using 23 as a highlighter. I thought that looked so pretty on her. I really like how it looked on my eyebrow in my inner corner. So I'm just going to take my trusty old ColourPop F5 brush, my favorite highlighting brush, and take a little bit. Whoa, that is intense. Hold up. Wow. I like that this doesn't look like a lot on the face. It just looks like wet. And it helps to blend that line that I made from the blush. Put a little bit on my nose. Oh my god. Alright, let's see. I do not have a lip color on. What lip color to do? I'm gonna take the Milk Makeup lip color. I believe they discontinued these. But this one is in Low Key. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss in Back Talk, which is a little bit warmer toned. Lord have mercy on my soul. I cannot stop looking at myself in the mirror. I think this looks so awesome. I'm so impressed by how well that brush blended out the eyeshadow. I'm impressed by the eyeshadow. The eyeliner hasn't faded on my eyes yet. Normally within the first like 5 minutes to 30 minutes, the eyeliner is like gone from half of my waterline. Don't ask me, I don't know why, but the eyeliner isn't moving around. The mascara looks really good with this red color on the lash line. I'm so excited about this, and I'm so excited to do more looks with this. If you want me to focus on certain colors or do like a couple more looks with this palette, please let me know. This is the finished look. I'm absolutely in love with it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'll have it linked down below to see more looks that I will post with this collaboration. Now, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.